California, at the Glendale Mall, and I was up there, and they had like a little test track that you could like drive around, and you could like go like over little obstacles and stuff, and it was really really cool. And they were like charging like $3 for 10 minutes of time, you know. And so I was basically taking some, and I had my son sitting or standing, and he was at the time like 5 years old. So he had his hands like above his head hanging onto the handlebar, and he was in front of me, right? Riding around, and while I was riding on it. And it's really, really easy to use. All you got to do is lean a little bit in the direction you want to go, and it just goes.
Oh, wow.
And you can turn on a dime. I mean, it's like you go whoop and just turn straight around. I mean, they're fantastic. And then I said, well, I said, I'm done. I rode it for like 5 minutes. And my son was like, Dad, I want to do more. And I asked the guy, I said, can my son ride it by himself? And he goes, oh, I never really done it. 5-year-old kid, seriously, has only been walking for, 3.5 years, right? And he just, got it. I mean, seriously, they are that easy. And he was like, Dad, you got to buy one. I was like, I don't have $3,500 readily available to buy you one of these. As much as I would love to, it's kind of fun, but nah, sorry, I'd love to do it, but I can't.
Gotcha.
So it's weird, but it just works, So I think Segways are much different. Scooters, I've seen people get on them, and they just don't even understand the concept of balance, Not to mention the people that are really proficient on them have a tendency to be very, I don't want to use the word ignorant, but not cognizant. So they're not aware of their surroundings, and so they don't pay attention to everything going on around them.
Gotcha.
And there was this dude, my wife and I were going somewhere, but we were going down to Mumbury in downtown, and there's this dude on a Segway, and he is, it was slow traffic, but he's swerving in and out of traffic onto Mumbury going down the hill, so he's flying. He's probably doing 22, 25 miles an hour, right? Traffic was probably going about 10 to 15, so it was slow traffic, right? But he's swerving in and out of cars and everything, and everyone's like honking at him, and he's like flipping people off, right? So I'm like, all right, not only is this guy being, a douchebag pretty much, but he's also driving really, really, really poorly. And then he tries to bunny hop onto the curb, and he just nails that curb and just sends himself flying probably 40 feet, right? And it was awesome. People are honking and laughing, and he's screaming at the guy, yeah, right, way to go, dude. And he deserved it, man. He was acting like an idiot. Yeah, that's your own fault, bro.
Yeah. That's real.
Oh, it's funny. I was really laughing. He deserved it, man,
Exactly.
I'm gonna laugh at your pain if you're that bad.
That's what's up.
That's funny. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it.
It's all good.
Again, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I think we'll see them disappear for a little while, and then probably slowly come back over the next couple of months, but in much smaller, much less. Not as many of them.
Yeah.
So they'll become, instead of being just like a party transportation where everyone just jumps on them and they're kind of going in and out of traffic, to being like single individuals trying to get to work and stuff. Because seriously, man, when I work like either at Bridgestone or I work at like the plaza that's down there right in front of the Hilton Hotel, I've done special events there. Man, the best thing to do is to park over by Nissan Stadium because it's free parking over there, and then rent a scooter that's right there and to take it over the pedestrian bridge. And the pedestrian bridge is set up perfectly. People can walk on the sidewalks on either side, and the scooters can go in the middle. And they can actually even make, if they wanted to, scooter lanes going, one way and the other way. And it's like that's the way that they really need to set up the traffic in town to kind of have it go that way, So that's what I think we'll see probably happen. And again, it really depends on. I drove a guy to. He was a lawyer for Lyft, so he worked for Lyft, but he was one of the lawyers who was going in and during the mediation